Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you the new OLSP System MegaLink, which has just been recently launched by Crowe, the owner of the OLSP System. So I'm going to show you some proof of commissions, multiple income streams, and what you can do with the MegaLink. The MegaLink is one link with, excuse me, you promote one link and there's 7 passive income streams. So it's a very clever, unique system. It's a complete 100% done for you system. I'm going to show you shortly in the video how this works. This is the owner, Wayne. If you want to meet Wayne and get a free video tour, lasts about 10 minutes, then just click the link in the description and you get access to a free video tour. And I'll take you inside the members area. First of all, I'll show you my proof of commissions. So far, $98.60. And under there, what you'll see is that it's not just working for me, but 1,202 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So lots of other members, it's working for them as well. Let's just show you some proof of the multiple income streams. I'm going to go into commissions here, and let's go into more transactions. And more importantly, I want to show you how this can work for you with this system. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. First of all, let's just have a look here. Blurred out members' information for privacy. So this is the balance that I showed you on the previous page, $98.60. And there are no monthly membership costs with the MegaLink. You get 100% commission on the MegaLink, and you'll see where it says MegaLink here. These are the 100% $7 commissions. And come down here, there are 2 other products that have been sold. This one here is another one, which is list building and Magic Link. And then Mega Messenger is another product, and that's been sold twice. And the Mega Messenger is one-time offer, special offer at the moment, $10.80 in commissions. So I want to show you that because go back into the dashboard here. It's important to understand exactly how things work. Now, when I go into this page here, let me just show you step by step how this works. So the MegaLink, you will get a MegaLink when you join. It's a one-time $7 payment, and you will get your MegaLink, top right-hand corner. That's mine there. Now on this page here, in this training here, you've got 5, 6 videos, training videos here. Wayne explains his training is absolutely superb. It's beginner friendly. This is where he really excels in helping his members training and support. So I'm going to show you how simple, even though there are lots and lots of different boxes on this page, I'm going to show you how simple this is. So this line here, Wayne's drawn a line down here. This is really important, this line. I'm going to draw a line in red. And what he has created is, to the left of this line is all you need to do. So he gives you the MegaLink. Oops, let's just do this properly. So let's just get rid of that, and now we can start. So he gives you the MegaLink, which I just shown you. The MegaLink is all you need, and your job is to drive traffic to that MegaLink. Now he gives you, if you look here, so everything on the left-hand side is all you have to do. So on the right-hand side is a complete done-for-you funnel. It's a sideways funnel, but it's still a funnel. And you'll see here that it starts with a squeeze page. So this is a complete 100% done for you system. Squeeze page is done for you, and that's this one here. So he creates that for you, and all you do is promote one link. That'll be your MegaLink, and that will go to this. Your prospects will see. And when your prospects put their email into here, this is where the system becomes automated. So they will go on to your email list. Now, the beauty of this is you don't even need an autoresponder because Wayne does it all for you. And then what he does for you, he sends out emails automatically. So he's going to send out an email for you. Now, within each of these emails, that's ongoing. The arrow there, you'll see that's ongoing. Now, within each of these emails here is your MegaLink, your affiliate link in there, in that email, in every email. So he's promoting products within those emails. Those products range from low ticket to monthly recurring commissions for you to high ticket. So 7 income streams, 7 different products that he promotes. And then if any of your prospects decide to buy, you will then earn a commission. So it's a complete done for you DFY, a complete done for you automated one-page funnel MegaLink. Now it gets even better because what he does, he's got a Facebook group where he builds a community. So what he does, he also goes live in the Facebook group, and if any of your prospects that have opted in here go into the Facebook group and they buy anything, you'll also get paid a commission. And he does live trainings where you can also earn commissions here, live trainings. And this whole system that he set up, he's paid $250,000. He's invested. He's been online 15 years. He's made $10 million, but he's invested $250,000 in this complete done-for-you system. So lots of circles, lots of boxes, lots of information, but don't get overwhelmed even if you're brand new. The main thing is you're going to get trained in the members area on how to drive traffic to your MegaLink, and then everything else is a complete done for you system. So for a one-time payment of $7, I don't think I've ever seen another system. I've never been part of the system. For a one-time payment of $7, the value is absolutely superb. Wayne is here to help and support you. You'll see here 142,000 members. He's live within the group. He does Q&As. He does Q&As. He does everything that's really there to help support his members. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions on MegaLink, then please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. But what I recommend you do is click the link in the description and just come over here and meet Wayne. And this 10-minute overview video here is going to give you a lot more information, and you can get a sort of an idea of who he is and what he's all about and how he's here to help support and train you become successful in your affiliate marketing journey. And there's lots more information on this page as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.